Hi, my name is Suhail Qureshi and welcome to my podcast. This video will showcase some of the theories which help in building a brand through quality customer experience. The topics which I am going to cover in this video are customer satisfaction, services and trust, customer buying behavior, marketing segmenting, positioning and targeting, and internal marketing. The objectives of this video is to understand how marketing works in service-based businesses, to understand some of the concepts of services marketing, to create and maintain a loyal customer for the benefit of an organization, and to integrate the concepts of your business to achieve quality customer experience. We will start off with our first topic of customer experience process, which is based on satisfaction, services and trust. Satisfaction is the experience that customer evaluates after they have purchased the product or service. The desired service is simply what the customer hopes to receive, and trust is the feeling that the customer gets if service can be relied on or not. Customer satisfaction is the evaluation of a customer after it purchases a product or service experience. It is the reaction in which the customer's needs, wants, desires, and expectations are met during the process. A satisfied customer leads to a loyal customer. It is more expensive to build a new customer than to retain an old one. That is why customer satisfaction is very important. Let's take a look at Kano's model of customer satisfaction. This model was introduced in 1980s to describe the level of customer satisfaction. According to the model, there are 3 levels of customer satisfaction. The first one is the basic, which is so essential in nature that the customer just expects them to work. The second level is performance, in which there is a direct correlation between the degree of achievement and customer satisfaction. And the third is the excitement, which represents the unexpected, when you delight the customer by over-delivering them. Desired services are the expectations of the customers that are influenced by their needs and the long-lasting service intensifiers. The needs of the desires could be personal, for example, physical, social, psychological, etc. The desired services can also be long-lasting intensifiers and to prolong the experience of the service which the customer will not forget. Building the trust between customer ensures the customer stays loyal. Customers are honest when trust is present. Trust is built through quality service and keeping the promises to the customers. When talking about the customer experience, consumer buying behavior plays a very important role. There are 5 steps of consumer buying behavior. The first one is need recognition. The need recognition occurs when a consumer identifies a need and thinks of a product that might meet his needs. Then he goes for information search. Once the consumer has recognized his needs, he then searches for information about the product or service that best suits his needs. Then he evaluates for alternatives. At this point, the consumer looks for alternatives which best benefit them. Then he makes a decision. Once the alternatives are evaluated, the consumer then makes a decision to buy the product or service. And finally, the post-purchase evaluation. The post-purchase evaluation part of the buying behavior helps determining future purchases. Let's take a look at the marketing, segmenting, targeting, and positioning. It is most commonly known as the STP of marketing. It defines the market into categories, focuses only on the particular market, and makes the perception in the minds of customers about the services that are distinctive from others. Segmenting the market means to set categories for the market to manage easily and make it more profitable. The market can be segmented into 4 main categories: demographic, geographical, psychographic, and behavior. Once the market is segmented, then comes target market, identifying and developing products and services according to the target market. Prime focus is any specific group in the target market, for example, city beach, people who like water sports and related fashion and accessories. Finally comes the market positioning. Market positioning is used to create a specific brand in the minds of consumers by using different marketing mix. Positioning is what the customers think about the product or services, which also determines that where the brand stands in the market with respect to other brands. This is solely based on customer experience. Let's take a look at the components of market positioning. First, we have price. Product service could be luxury, mediocre, or essential, depending on the price. Then comes quality. Is the product or service top notch or consistent enough for the customer? Services. Quality service leads to quality customer experience, warranties, after sales support, etc. Distribution. Getting the product or service to the customer through the right channel is also an important part of market positioning. Competition. Positioning the brand with similar products or services as your competitors. Now let's discuss our final topic, which is internal marketing. Internal marketing is crucial for service profit chain framework. It involves marketing within the employees. Internal marketing in the service business is carried out by line employees. In services, employees are the part of product, that is, line employee which is directly involved in the manufacturing of the product or services. According to Burkitt and Zealy, the challenge for internal marketing is not only to get the right message across, but to embed them in such a way that they both change and reinforce employee behavior. Let's take a look at the internal marketing process. First one is service culture, which is establishment of a service culture. Second one is development of marketing approach to human resource management. And finally, dissemination of marketing information to employees. In establishment of the service culture, we focus on hiring the right people, train the properly hired employees, turn the organizational structure upside down, empower the employee to take action on their own, create a learning environment. In internal marketing, development of marketing approach to human resource management is very important. The prime focus of that is to create jobs that attract good people, establish a hiring process that helps in recruiting service-oriented people, provide required training to share the organization's vision with the employee, and build a knowledgeable employee. And the final step of internal marketing process is disseminating marketing information to employees. What does it mean? It means the best way to communicate with the customers is often through customer contact employees. Employees should hear about promotions and new products directly from the management rather than an advertisement aimed for the customers. Effective communication between management and employees is essential. Now, how can we achieve internal marketing? That's the main question. First, align the organizational objective with the employee attitude is the most important step in internal marketing. Everybody is responsible for internal marketing. Each and every employee must comprehend the core value of the organization. Training the frontline employee to deliver satisfaction, value, and loyalty. Introducing total quality management is a tool to achieve coordination. Giving incentives or rewards are a great way to do internal marketing. This also initiates a positive competition within the employees. Implementing the fair play policy can ensure active involvement of the employees in the organizational activities, which ultimately results in the implementation of internal marketing. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it.